Are you ready for freestyle cruising? Join us on board as we explore Norwegian Bliss. Norwegian Cruise Line built Norwegian Bliss to meet especially stringent environmental standards for Alaskan cruises. The moment you cruise past Alaska's stunning fjords, Belize's crystal waters, or through any other beautiful destinations that Bliss sails to, you'll understand why Norwegian has gone to such great lengths to protect our planet's oceans. It's not just sustainability. Every corner of this incredible ship is carefully crafted to meet the highest of standards. Each accommodation is fitted with fine bedding, smart TVs, and luxurious toiletries, and is serviced with the expert care of your stateroom attendant. Norwegian Bliss features stateroom options ranging from unique studio cabins for solo travelers to luxurious suites in the Haven, Norwegian's most exquisite accommodations. Haven guests have access to exclusive around-the-clock butler service, alongside private sunbathing areas and even a restaurant just for guests of the Haven. On board Bliss, there's an overwhelming sense of airiness and natural light, with views of the sea found throughout the vessel. In fact, 3/4 of Norwegian Bliss's cabins feature ocean views, and the majority have private balconies. You can also enjoy these spectacular sights through enormous windows in the observation lounge, offering an incredible 180-degree panorama view. You'll enjoy fresh ocean air on spacious sun decks, in 2 swimming pools, or in 4 hot tubs on Bliss's upper decks. At Vibe Beach Club, you can relax in private cabanas with full bar service in this kids-free exclusive hideaway. If you want to be whisked away to a world of ultimate comfort and tranquility, be sure to visit the Mandara Spa. Here you can enjoy a unique massage or skincare treatments performed by Norwegian's expert technicians. The ship's thermal suite is home to a heated pool and jacuzzi, along with a real treat, unique heated stone lounge seats with direct ocean views. If you want some excitement on board Bliss, you can bowl a perfect 300 in the 2-lane bowling alley or experience the action of sci-fi themed laser tag. On the top deck, chip a hole-in-one at the miniature golf course or ride the exhilarating water slides, which even feature heart-stopping over-water turns. Plus, in an innovation pioneered by Norwegian, get behind the wheel at Bliss's go-kart track. Yes, you heard that right. Bliss Speedway allows cruisers to race around hairpin turns at over 20 miles an hour as you aim for the finish line. When you've worked up an appetite, you have many dining options on your Norwegian Bliss cruise. For a casual experience, the Garden Cafe offers daily favorites, and the local bar and grill serves up classic pub fare. If you're searching for an elevated experience at no extra cost, the 3 restaurants in the main dining room offer finely crafted cuisine served in an elegant atmosphere truly only found at sea. Plus, Norwegian Cruise Line's Freestyle Dining means that you'll be able to dine whenever you want, in whichever setting you choose for the night. Norwegian Bliss is truly a unique ship. Her stunning public spaces, sumptuous accommodations, and ongoing action will make her the perfect cruise choice for any kind of passenger. Your Cruise One travel advisor is ready to provide you with exclusive value and personalized planning. Ready to book your next dream vacation? Contact your travel advisor today.